Sure if I've made a video or a mention of these Yaris's. The bottom bolt on the alternator, it's quite hard to get to without the right tools. One option is to remove these clips and go in from here by bending this all the way off. So then when you do that, you can get a short 14 in. But another note is that they can be that tight. Carefully with a copper punch, if you loosen that and punch that, it'll move. So that's instead of breaking the pulley, breaking your arm, slashing your wrist there. It's not recommended, but in this case, the car's 2002, it's never been opened. I've managed to move it here, but if you don't, the alternator can still move on the bushings. All the best. Gotta go, bye.